In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from KuCoin to bank account. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first you have to launch your KuCoin mobile application. Then you just have to log into your account. Once you successfully log in, you are going to see this asset tab in the bottom right hand corner. So you need to tap on the asset, and then by default you will be this overview page. Now over here you need to tap on the funding in the top, and then you will be able to see the withdrawal option in this section. Here you need to tap on the withdrawal, and then you will be able to land it on this crypto page. Now the first method to withdraw your crypto from KuCoin is to bank account is that you just have to select the particular crypto which you want to transfer, and then you can transfer the crypto to another exchange like on Binance. From there you can transfer your money into the bank account. Now the second method is that you will have to tap on the Fiat option in the top, and here you are able to see a bunch of different Fiat currencies. So you will have to select the particular Fiat currency that you want to use to initiate your transfer. After selecting, you will be redirected to the next page, and you provide the amount that you want to transfer. After that, you just have to select the bank account option, and just you have to confirm your withdrawal, and that's it, you are done.